In this video series, I work through a math problem each video. To solve these equations for x, we need to use both the addition property for equations and the multiplication property for equations. Let's start with the first problem. We have 2x plus 5 is equal to 22. Here, 2x means 2 multiplied by x, and we have 5 added to that. To get rid of the 5, let's add the additive inverse of 5, which is minus 5, to both sides of the equation. Five and minus 5 will add together to give 0, the additive identity. And 22 plus minus 5 is 17. Since 0 is the additive identity, when we add it to 2 times x, we end up with 2 times x. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1/2. So let's multiply both sides of the equation by 1/2. Two and 1/2 will multiply together to give 1, and 1 times x is x. And 17 multiplied by 1/2 is 17/2. So we found that x is equal to 17 over 2 in the first equation. Let's take a look at the second equation next. We have 8 minus 2/3 x is equal to 24. Once again, 2/3 x means 2/3 multiplied by x. So we can subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. Eight minus 8 is 0, and 0 minus 2/3 x is 2/3 x, or minus 2/3 x. Twenty-four minus 8 is 16. Next, we want to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of minus 2/3, which is minus 3/2. On the left-hand side, minus 2/3 and minus 3/2 multiplied together will give 1, which is a multiplicative identity, and x times 1 is x. And on the right-hand side of the equation, we have 16 multiplied by minus 3/2. We can divide a factor of 2 from 16 and 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 8 times minus 3 is minus 24. So x equals minus 24 in the second equation.